Natural cures for late periods. Easy homemade recipes. Irregular periods occur far more often than is typically recognized. What is also often unrecognized is the fact that there are many natural homegrown cures for late periods that are more effective than chemical solutions and have less side effects. Here are some recipes to help you combat irregular periods. Recipe 1. Consume a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with some warm milk and honey. This is a gentle and effective method through which you can cure a late period. Take this every 2 weeks and you should see results. This is one of the most commonly prescribed home remedies for late periods. Recipe 2. Boil a teaspoon of ginger in the water for 3 or 4 minutes. Add some natural sugar or honey to sweeten and drink this mixture 3 times a day after every meal. Ginger is one of the top natural supplements that can help regulate an irregular period. A 2016 study titled Efficacy of Oral Ginger, Zingiber Officinale for Dysmenorrhea, a systematic review and meta-analysis, indicated that ginger is effective at reducing menstrual cramps. Recipe 3. Cinnamon has a warming effect on the body. Take a glass of warm milk and add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is another highly regarded substance that can help with maintaining a balanced menstrual cycle. Recipe 4. Aloe vera is helpful at regulating hormones and as such can be used to treat menstrual irregularities. Aloe vera has been shown in numerous studies to have beneficial effects in the regulation of estrogen, gonadotropin, and progesterone. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf and mix with a teaspoon of honey before breakfast. Balancing the menstrual cycle naturally. These recipes are simple, but they do work over longer time periods. An irregular menstrual cycle is a sign that something is out of balance and that you need to engage it in a more holistic lifestyle. Meditation and yoga can also assist in balancing the menstrual cycle. Taking the aforementioned supplements regularly and implementing them into your eating regime is also a good idea. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.